Where there was once fear, now there is laughter.
This is how you can use Grok AI for free and unlimited to create amazing images and even turn those images to video. So honestly, I believe this video is for you. Make sure you watch to the end because every step matters. Now, before we start, let me ask you a very important question. What is your content idea? Take a second and think about it. Because the truth is, a lot of people struggle at this stage. You want to create content, but you don't even know what to create. And that is completely normal. But don't worry, you're not alone. We actually have a coach to help us, and the name of our coach is ChatGPT. Yes, our coach ChatGPT is going to help us from the beginning to the end. Now, another problem people face is prompting. Some people don't know what to type or how to explain what they want. Now, let me make it very simple for you. The same way you talk to your friend is the same way you should talk to ChatGPT. If you can ask your friend, please help me create a story about a king in the village. Then you can tell ChatGPT the exact same thing. Don't try to sound too serious or too complicated. Just be natural. For me personally, ChatGPT is like my YouTube coach right now. I talk to it like a real person, and it understands me. So I want you to do the same. Talk to it like a woman talking to another woman. Now let's move to the practical part. Open ChatGPT and explain your idea clearly. For example, you can say, I want to create a short video story about a queen in the palace. I want scenes, narrations, and camera directions. That's it. Very simple. You don't need big grammar, just be clear. Personally, I don't even type most of the time. I use voice command, I just speak, and ChatGPT understands me. So now let's begin. So guys, like I said before, I love talking to ChatGPT like a friend. I use voice command, so let's go. Hi ChatGPT, help me create a powerful and engaging promo script using this idea as inspiration. A queen mother is seated on her royal throne, surrounded by her maidens as they eat, drink, laugh, and celebrate together in a grand palace setting. Make it highly intriguing with strong high retention hook that can grab viewers' attention instantly. Keep it fully in line with YouTube community guidelines. Also, write it like a movie script by describing each scene in detail, camera angles and movement, background atmosphere and emotions, character actions and expressions, cinematic transition and dramatic moments. Make it feel royal, emotional, entertaining, and visually captivating from the beginning to the end. So after writing your prompt, the next thing is very simple. So I will just go ahead and click on generate. Now this is where the magic happens. ChatGPT will start working and give you a full result based on your idea. At this point, you might look at your prompt and start that to yourself. Like, is my prompt good enough? Did I explain it well? That's normal. But here is something very important. Always read your prompt again before generating. Check if there is anything you need to correct or add, because your idea matters. And the better your prompt, the better your results. Now, ChatGPT is giving me scene 1, what the narrators will say, and even camera directions. I know camera direction might sound confusing, and yes, there is a lot to learn there, but that is not our focus today, so don't worry about it for now. And what I will do next is very simple. I will copy the script, then I will paste it into my note because that is where I usually save all my scripts. Always keep your work organized, it helps a lot. Now let's move to the next step. We are going to generate our image. So I will copy the first image prompt from my script. Then I will go to Google and type Google Flow. Make sure you select the correct one. Once you're on Google Flow, the first thing is to log in with your Google account. If you have not logged in, just sign in quickly. After that, click on New Project. It will open a new interface. Give it a few seconds to load. Now, when it opens, you will see different tools for generating images and videos. Don't get confused, just focus. Paste your image prompt in the space provided, then click Generate. Also, let me remind you something. You can use this platform not just for images, but also for videos. And if you already have another platform you prefer for images, that's fine. But I still want you to follow this process so you will understand why I use Google Flow. The main reason is very simple. It is fast and effective. Now let's check the results. Click on Generated Image. Wow, this is the kind of powerful image we are talking about. Now pause and ask yourself, am I satisfied with this image? Is there anything missing? If everything looks good, go ahead and click Download. It will automatically save to your gallery. Now let's move to the next step, creating the video. We are still on Google. Type RXW Studio AI. You will see many results, so make sure you pick the correct one by checking the logo. So this is the right one. Just click on it. This tool is very powerful. With it you can create videos, images, audio, music, everything in one place. And click on start for free, then log in with your Google account and continue. So guys, once you are inside, you will see the interface. When you sign up for the first time, they will give you 20 credits. These credits are what you will use to generate your content. Now remember, our goal is to create a video, so let's move step by step. Click on the option to add a reference image. It will open your gallery. Select the image you downloaded earlier. Then click done. Next, go back and copy your prompt again, but this time only copy the part that relates to the image and video. Paste it into the platform. Now look for the module sections. Click on it. You will see options like VRO 3.1, Sora, Grok AI, and others. Choose Grok Video Upscale. Now listen carefully. This part is very important. Different models use different amount of credit. For example, Grok Video Upscale uses about 10 credits. Some others use 12 credits. Sora can use up to 42 credits, so you need to be smart. If you are just starting, use Grok. It's cheaper and still give good results. Now click Generate. Once you click it, look below, you will see it processing. Just wait patiently. When it's done, you will see a download button. Click it to save your video. If you don't like the result, no problem. You can generate again. Wow, now guys, our video is ready. Look at it. This is beautiful. Go ahead and download it. Let's watch it together.
Where there was once fear, now there is laughter.
Where there was once fear, now there is laughter.
Wow, this is amazing. This is the power of AI when you use it the right way. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to support. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Also like this video and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.
You remind us what love truly means. Pure like rivers, wild like